Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone model and Android version, so you choose the correct reset method. This matters because steps vary by vendor. Next, make sure the battery is above 50% and that you have Wi-Fi or a USB cable ready, because updates or account verification may require connectivity. If you have access to your Google account, sign-in info will be needed later. Otherwise, understand a factory reset will erase local files, apps, and settings, so backup if possible. Once done with preparations, try the remote option. Sign in to Find My Device with your Google account and select Erase Device. This is quick if allowed. If remote erase is unavailable, power the phone off and boot into recovery using the manufacturer key combo, which forces low-level access. Manufacturers differ, so use the right combo for your model. In recovery, navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset, confirm with power. This removes the pattern because it wipes user data and locks settings. After the reset completes, reboot the system and follow the setup prompts. You will need to sign into the same Google account previously linked to the device to bypass factory reset protection, because Android uses that to deter theft. If you encounter an FRP lock and you don't have the account details, contact the device manufacturer or the original seller for proof of ownership assistance. If the recovery process fails, try the steps again, or use the OEM official flashing tool or an authorized service to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.